Yo, YouTube, this video today is going to be showing you a brand new McDonald's free food glitch. This is actually going to get you some working codes for the McDonald's rewards app, and it is going to get you 10,000 free rewards points, allowing you to get tons of free food in the McDonald's app, guys. And this is working in 2026. I spent a long time searching Google and watching other YouTube tutorials trying to find a method to get free food, and I finally managed to find a working glitch, guys. And this is going to get you 10,000 points, which, as you can see, is more than enough for some of the best meals and food from McDonald's. So before I show you this method, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. And this is going to take you about 5 minutes, but it is going to get you tons of free McDonald's food. So you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser to start this method, and you've got to head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So you can pause the video and copy that address there, but Crash Coupons is basically a codes website, guys. They mostly have game codes, but I did actually discover a McDonald's promo code page. Now, if you use the search bar, navigate your way to this page and scroll down, you can get a free McDonald's rewards points promo code for 9,999 free points. Like I said, guys, this is the maximum amount of points you can get in the McDonald's app, and it is going to allow you to get tons of free food. Now, the reason I call this a free food McDonald's glitch is because this promo code isn't supposed to supply. This is sort of like an admin promo code. So yeah, it gives you too much rewards points. So these are limited codes. You can see there's 432 codes remaining. So you do need to unlock your code, guys. This basically prevents people taking more than one of these codes. I've already done this, but basically what I had to do was click on get full code. I've already done it, like I said, so I can't do it again. And you're going to see a new screen, and there is going to be a set of instructions telling you exactly what you need to do to unlock your McDonald's promo code. It takes about 5 minutes. If you follow the instructions, your code will be revealed. You can redeem it in the McDonald's food app, and it is going to supply you with 10,000 rewards points, or 9,999. And yeah, that is the easiest method to get free food in the McDonald's app. Go to Crash Coupons and just search for this page here, guys. Select the promo code here for 10,000 free points. Follow the instructions to unlock your code. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.